Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today it's gonna be a little bit different from what I usually do, but today I'm in Mississippi visiting family, my sister and the kids, and today we are going to review my brother's MR2 K-swap turbo. So we'll see how this goes. I never drove a turbo car, so we'll see how this one goes. Let you guys know right now, I don't know much about MR2s, but I do know about Hondas. Toyota is something a little bit new to me. I do want to start a platform of MR2s, or you know, the old school Supra, the MK1, but we'll see how it goes. Give you guys a little walk around. It is a real imported right-hand drive MR2. This originally came with the turbo. I forgot the motor, but it came with the turbo setup. Of course, hardtop. You don't really see much hardtop MR2s. They usually have the T-top or the sunroof, the target top, T-top. The thing I like about this MR2 is that it's right-hand drive, so it's pretty unique, and is imported from Japan, so which is even pretty cool that we even have this here. I don't really know much people that even have the right-hand drive MR2s, but again, I don't know much about MR2s. Alright, so he does have a yeah, this is not even a hood, so it's a trunk exit, well, whatever you want to call it. But yes, it has a K24. I'm gonna give you guys the list down. So this motor is a K24A Type S oil pump, 50 VTC, RBC manifold. It has a EP3 trans, stage 3 clutch masters. This is a 76, 77 trim, so it's a pretty big turbo. It's a custom manifold with a 60 mil wastegate. It has FIC 1650s injectors, dual port boost control. But yeah, everything is water to air. I'll show you guys the water to air right now. Water air setup, no intercooler, which is pretty cool. It has a hybrid racing shifter, Recaros. Let's hear it start up. pretty loud when you get on it. You guys know two stuff. So the rears are 17 by 9 and the fronts are, I believe, 16 by 7s. And there you guys have it, guys. A little review on this MR2 K-swap turbo right-hand drive, man. But it does feel really good to drive this, especially when it's on boost. Man, this shit goes. But I hope you guys liked the video, and if you guys like more videos like that. But next time, I feel like when I do another review on this, I will have the owner. I feel like it's just more better. It's better if I'm in the passenger seat to actually feel all the power. So next time, I think that should be an idea. I'll see you guys on the next video.